We have one job: to keep the earth healthy, to keep the earth safe. Unfortunately, we failed.
How dare you! You have stolen my dreams, my childhood, with your empty words. You have stolen my dreams.
It's sad, but it's real.
We failed.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our presentation for the climate action competition. And our video today will about the first topic of the competition is the climate change. And we'll talk about the sea level rising first, and we'll hear more about that from Human Fact, one of our teammates. And we also have Đào Đăng Khoa, Phương Minh Tú, and I'm Nguyễn Anh Nhật Minh from SIP 411. Vietnam Australia School, Ba Tháng Hai campus.
Okay, so what is sea level rising? And why is sea level rising? To answer that, I got a few suggestions to explain why sea levels are rising. Sea level or water level is base level for the measuring, evaluation, and the depth of the earth. Sea level rising refers to the average increase in the water level of the Earth's ocean. Over the last century, sea level has increased and continues to rise due to global warming caused by the human activities that has increased in the atmosphere. Human activities that cause global warming primarily through these release of greenhouse gases by the burning of the fossil fuels, agriculture activities, and deforestation. Global warming increases the sea level in two ways. First, increasing average global temperatures and especially warming at the poles, causing glaciers and ice sheets on land to melt, thus increasing sea level. Second, the water in the ocean is expanding as it absorbs heat from the warming atmosphere. Ocean circulation patterns, which can alter how water is distributed across ocean's basins, causing sea level to rise more or less in certain locations. Now, we will talk about flooding with Đào Đăng Khoa presenting for this. Đào Đăng Khoa, would you please explain for us what is flooding and what causes flooding?
So flood is one of the recurring natural disaster, which is an outcome of heavy rainfall and an accumulation of excessive water in every living area. Flood may occur due to overflow water from the reservoir or due to torrential downpour rain in places where the drainage system are not adequately maintained. Water may also harmless and peaceful until the large quantities turn flood harmless. Flood can take place naturally, or environmental factors that destroy the water flow can help to facilitate them. As a result of climate change, the occurrence of flood increase. Climate change is the detrimental result of deforestation to allow temperatures to increase on the surface of the earth. Global warming is linked to intense climatic change, such as heavy tempests, snow, and rising seas, such as atmospheric change lead to flooding. A flood is the leak and stoppage of water on dry ground surface. It occurs as water flow outside of the normal limit from water source. Flooding is environmentally destructive. There are three main types of flood. Surge flood, a flood that occurs in the coastal region due to surge and tidal change that occur in the sea or ocean. Hurricane and storm surge of the seas or ocean can cause minor, moderate, or significant flood. The exact severity of the flood is determined by the strength, size, speed, and direction of the surge. Three main flood types exist. Surge inundation represents flood that takes place in the coastal region as a result of seas or ocean fluctuation. Hurricane and seas or ocean storm can cause small waters or devastating flooding. The volume or magnitude of the flood depends on the strength, size, velocities of the flood. Usually, flooding is extreme and enormous. Without flood or another form of flood, surface water due to excessive runoff causes viral inundation. Without flood or damages that disrupt the drainage network and create systemic flooding. While draining and rains and erosion occurs, while prevail not do not involve much water, the environment and infrastructures are not destroyed. That's the end of my presentation.
Thank you, thank you. Now for Wenbo to represent her presentation.
I will be talking about forest fires. Forest fires are mostly caused due to global warming. Global warming here is referring to the process of greenhouse gases being trapped under the atmosphere. Forest fires have become a much more recent occurrence and natural disaster among the, of course, dense forest regions such as Australia. Forest fires are very detrimental to the environment as they burn down all the animals' homes, along with releasing a lot more CO2 into the atmosphere, which could cause a loop of CO2 being emitted into the atmosphere, forest burning, then repeating once again. Forest fires. And that's that. I thought let's move on.
Okay, and it's my turn to represent about deforestation. So what is deforestation? Deforestation is I'm sure that you have heard about this before. It's something that affects very bad on Earth. Deforestation is made by human. Normally they will use like chainsaw or some cutting tools to get wood in the forest, but some of the human, like, they don't care about environment and they just use like exploding powder to explode the forest and make it on fire. And the deforestation killed a lot of animals, thousands of species become endangered because of that. And how to prevent it? You can make some posters to post on internet about remind everyone that don't protect the environment and don't do anything that affects back on Earth. Or you can remind your the people that you have met before that also do something that bad for the environment. You can remind them and other people. And that's the end of my presentation.
Okay, thank you so much, Nguyễn Anh, Nhật Minh, Đào Đăng Khoai, and Tubi for your presentation. And that is also the end of our presentation about climate change today. And we will thank you for listening to our PowerPoint and presentation. Now, thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.